Hi everyone, and welcome to the Sinnisj Insulator channel. For you today, I have a 2,500 square foot house that we're going to do a little bit of a walkthrough. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you do like the video and what you see, please give a nice thumbs up as well as subscribe. That is going to help the channel a lot. We're on our way to 300 subscribers, so that's absolutely fantastic. Okay, so this beautiful house, stone, brick outside, and the inside is just gorgeous, wide open concept. So there's two different types of attics. There's one downstairs and there's one upstairs. If I see anything that is out of the ordinary, I do give the heads up to the supervisor that's on site. It's just like you see there. There's fans, there's more vents. I know that in previous videos I have said that you remove the more vents because then the exhaust air goes back into the attic. I have let the supervisor know, and so it's now in his hands. You actually see there, the nice view of the garage. The one upstairs is fairly big, a little over 1,000 square feet, and has a lot of cathedrals. Unfortunately, those cathedrals are hidden. There's a bottom cathedral that I'm able to do actually. As usual, we always start right at the more vents and then we work our way backwards. I always do the perimeter first and then I work my way backwards, trying to get the hose out of the way so that the material doesn't go on top of the hose. Here I'm working right in the middle. It's always iffy. You always want to try to match both spots as best as possible, so I'm getting pretty good at it. So now I'm working at the bottom. Okay, there is a coffered ceiling in the bottom layer, and so that is the time lapse right here that I've got for you. So enjoy that. The big thing that you want to remember with the coffered ceilings, the edges are batted, but I always cover the bats so that at least the edges are 60. If possible. On the left, you may see the fireplace exhaust. So again, that always has a interior exhaust. There is a 3-inch gap between the actual exhaust. So that big pipe that you see there is the actual buffer. There's a cathedral that I'm able to top up, which I did right there. So with this one, it was pretty tricky because as you see here, there were some hidden spots. Definitely in the attics, I always look around, make sure that I've got every spot done because obviously you don't want to come back and have some condensation happen. That's never a good thing, and obviously the homeowners wouldn't be happy with that. So with that, hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough of one of my dream homes. So we will see you next week on Tuesday. Cheers.